So good afternoon all of you. I'm Shekhar Sharma again with you for class 7th computer chapter 3 more on GIMP. GIMP is an acronym of GNU Image Manipulation Program. It is an open source software program which can be freely downloaded from the internet. It can be used for tasks such as editing and retouching an image, converting an image from one format to another, and drawing free-form images. GIMP was originally named General Image Manipulation Program. It was developed by Spencer Kimball and Peter Mattis in 1995 as a college semester project. Its first version was officially released in 1996. It was available for Windows, Linux, and macOS. Acronym. An acronym is an abbreviation form from the initial letter of the words that form the name of something. For example, UNICEF, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. A recursive acronym is an acronym that refers to itself. GNU stands for GNU's Not Unix, and thus it is a recursive acronym. Now, how can you start GIMP? To start GIMP, click on Start button, then click on the GIMP2 icon. We can also open GIMP by just typing GIMP in the search bar and clicking to open it. Opening an image to GIMP. To start working with GIMP, we need to open an image. Click on the File menu, then select the Open option, then Open Image dialog box will appear there. Choose the location where the image is saved. Choose the location where the image is saved. Then select the image of your choice. Click on the Open button. The selected file opens up in GIMP. Now, Transform tool. GIMP provides us with various transform tools. Transform tools are used to move, rotate, scale, and crop images. We can also work on multiple images or layers in a GIMP to make a composite image. In image editing, we often work on layers. Splitting an image into layers is called layering. Move tool. The move tool is used to move image layers or selection. We can also move the text layer using this tool. Tools option. These tools are the options. These are the tools option of move tool. This is used to move only the current layer selection. This is used to move the selection. Instead of mouse, we can use Control plus Alt key to move the selection. Path. When a mouse goes over a path, it changes to a small hand. It changes to a small hand. A path is created using the path tool. We can move this path by selecting and dragging it. Crop tool, Shift plus C, the shortcut for this. The crop tool is used to remove unwanted portion from an image. We can select the crop tool from the toolbox and drag the mouse over the area we want to keep. Tools option of crop tool, current layer only. This option affects only the current layer. Allow growing. This option allows you to expand selection outside the canvas or the image layer. Expand from center. This tool select the first pixel you click on, taking from the center and expand it. Dear student, this is for today. Other tools will be explained in the next video. Thank you.